Yo, look at this shit. This shit's crazy. It's a little Rio that we found, and on the other side of El Yunque. Woo. This is on the other. It's on the other side of El Yunque. Woo! Woo! Mira, Lacey. Say hi. You ready? You jumping from that one?
Nah, go. I'm gonna do it. If you're gonna do it from there, go.
That's how I jump out that way and you jump out that way.
Tomorrow, you're not gonna do it from there.
You ready? I'm gonna keep it running. I know, but you gotta jump out. All right, I'm going this way.
Which way?
That way. Yeah, do whatever you want. You ready? Y'all ready? Ooh, she's scared. And she's lower than me, yo. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Woo! Yeah. You jumping? I'll get you on the camera. Come on. Woo! It's cold. Woo! Come on. Let me see. Look at that, yo. You're not even seeing that. You wanna see that? Fucking a waterfall. Oh man, I'm not walking all the way up that shit. Yo, babe, say what's up.
What's up, y'all? I'm scared to death. We about to do this.
Y'all got this. Woo! How you feel?
Oh my God, it's freezing.
It is.
It is.
Be careful when you get on this rock though, it's slippery.
Oh.
It's slippery.
Oh Lord. Sorry, that was fun now.
Up, I've been taking the big one.
Got this. I got it.
Like I said, right here is rock, so don't jump too far. Jump like right in the middle. I did it. I did it.
We all watching.
You good?
Do it up there?
You good? You hit your foot enough?
You got this?
All right. 1, 2, 3. Woo! You did it. That's what's up.
You did the highest one. Look at him.
Give me 5. Dame 5. Dame 5.
Oh my gosh. You did
Oh, let me keep rolling. Again? Oh, you want to climb? No, that's my nephew.
Your turn.
Oh shit, I fell. I just bucked my ass. Oh, come on, yo. Dale, dale. Oh God, I'm falling. Oh, look, you gonna do it. Oh, there we go, there we go. There we go. You ain't. Oh, I can't get up there. Yeah. It's slippery.
I got you.
Oh my God. Samaj, tell us how you feel. We got you on the vlog. Look at me. You cold? ¿Está frío?
I'm cold. I'm really cold.
You want your towel?
And also when I went down, the water of the pressure hit me.
The water pressure hit you?
Yeah.
But you feel good otherwise?
They're gonna go again. They're gonna go again. Look.
Get you.
Look, Samaj, they're gonna go again. Yeah, we out here, baby, jumping. Wild shit out here, PR, baby. Jungle life. I'm about it. We gotta swim over there and try to walk up. Right? Primo. How you say go up? Arriba? Para arriba?
Freezing to death.
You cold? You should have drank your water and ate your breakfast this morning.
Kid, I don't even have breakfast.
How,
I eat candy for lunch.
how you go up? Para arriba. Yeah, but how? You go over here on the side? Oh, it's complicated. Oh, he said complicado.
Por eso yo te dije si ella puede subir, yo no sé si ella puede subir.
Oh, don't bring the kid.
No,
And you drinking too.
no, not him.
Yo, con cuidado.
I don't know about these shoes. Yeah.
Pero watch it.
Pero watch it.
Okay.
Llegó. Say watch it.
Wait, the watch.
Yeah, she coming. She gonna come with us. You gonna come?
You wanna go?
I'm scared. You know.
What?
Es complicado.
I know. I'm just saying.
Vamos tú y yo y si tú crees que ella puede subir, la buscamos.
Okay.
I think y'all should go.
Dile que vele el nene con ella.
Yeah, he said watch the nene with her. Watch the kids with her.
Aquí no vale.
No sabe nada. Yo, we not letting his kid drown, yo.
Ahí dice atrevido que se va para allá y se tira. Y no
Oh yeah,
sabe.
he'll jump and he don't know. He'll just.
Ahí tiene que dejarlo, ¿verdad?
Damn, I hope water didn't get in my GoPro. Well, cause it just.
Y'all be careful.
No, I know.
This guy though.
Here, cause it has a wrench on it. So try to figure it out. I can't bring it. Cut it off and open it. Make sure water didn't get in.
No, igual yo no dentro de...
It's a GoPro. It's a GoPro. It goes in the water. It's supposed to be. It's supposed to be water. Oh, he said how you gonna take the picture and go.
What happened?
Let me see.
Yeah. I can't even turn off.
I don't know. No sabe. Look at that. Dude. Highlight added.
Diego, pórtate bien, vengo ahora.
Yo, we about to go up this mountain, so I'm scared, yo. Just pray for me, baby. We're gonna get up here. If I drop the GoPro, it's because it's a heavy terrain.
Hace tiempo yo no subo por todo esto. Yo estoy gordito, maestro.
he said he too fat for this. I was telling the vloggers, I said you too fat for this. He said pa gordito.
Gordito, fat.
Oh man. Oh, this shit's beautiful, y'all. It's beautiful. You can see the video. Yeah. Woo! You going all the way to the top?
Yeah, come on.
Rock climbing, yo.
Pero te quiero
Oh yeah, let me take it off. I'm gonna leave it here, we get it on the way back. Aquí.
Mira.
Yeah, wet. Oh man,
Wash.
Yeah. Ver, slippery.
Yeah.
Está mojado.
You better be careful. I'm mojado.
Yeah, yeah.
Yo.
Here we go. Gracias, primo.
Es complicado, por eso digo a la muchacha no.
Yo, this is a real hike. Mi familia. Okay. Yo. Mira. Yo, it's crazy, bro. Yeah, see? He's saying it's very complicated, y'all. We taking a nice hiking trip in PR, yo. Sorry about this footage, it's gonna be crazy. It's all over the place. This shit is crazy. I only got 2 hands. You going all the way up there?
Oh no.
I'm on the side now. Ooh, like right here. Right here. Oh man. Where you going? This way?
You don't got the feet. I told you, come on, let's go over there.
Right?
But I don't like neither too much time with the baby.
Yeah, see, we got the nenes with us, yo. We got the kids. He's saying we could go hiking more. Yo, this is beautiful.
You want to go
Look at this.
over there?
I'll follow you, you tell me. Oh man, I gotta go up there. Alright, let's go. Shit, crazy. We gonna get it though, baby. Yeah, I lost the west side. Mono monkey, baby. Una mono.
Right there.
They can't even see us.
You want?
Huh?
You can stay right there and enjoy the picture. You go over there, enjoy the picture.
Okay, I'll show you. I'm gonna pause it right now. Alright, y'all, we made it back down. I'm about to go down this man-made slide. Wish me luck. Shit crazy. We went up a whole mountain, son. That shit crazy. Yo, I don't know if y'all want to go.
You made it.
I made it, but that shit's a workout.
I want to go though.
It's a workout. You gotta really wash your feet, and your hands gotta be available. I almost dropped the GoPro like 6 times.
I want
there's like another, he said there's like four Rios like this, platforms. As you work your way up, when you get up there, there's another one. We went further and I took a picture on the top.
So I could like just stop at one of them?
Yeah.
Bangs on the Motorola, ayy, put the Hellcat like a Corolla, ayy, I'm a